Hey folks, welcome to Clandino and welcome to Bikepacking Adventures with myself, Richard Lake. I'm heading back about 250k to go, and at the top of the list is a visit to a bike shop. Come on, where is it? Looks like it might be out. Look, we'll have to ask. Took a pain in the backside. Got the chamois cream.
Do what?
Chamois cream.
We used to. I think we stopped doing it because it never sold.
Oh. So this is the bike setup. It's my Old Faithful Sunday Calibri titanium road bike with the tail fin aero pack. All the clothes from the race. Couple of water bottles, the Apogee top tube bag, a Caramel dry bag which is going to get swapped out because I've done some configuration changes that I've talked about during the race. I can actually get the restrap aero bag in there now, no problems. Lighting, phone, Garmin, and today on my back is a drop bag, so just a few clothes that I took on the journey down from Lincolnshire to Portsmouth, and obviously needed some normal clothing, shoes and things, so got that with me. And the front of the bike as well, just quickly mention it, is the pedal cell. Didn't really need that extra weight, unnecessary weight. It's just a short trip really. It kind of overkill, to be honest. Also the control points and the Airbnbs just came at the right time, so I didn't need to be charging on the move. In all honesty, I needn't have brought it, it's just extra weight. Anyway, let's take a look. I do have some chamois cream, but not much left. Where did I put it? I think I put it at the front here. So I've got this little sliver in there and barely nothing in there, so that has to do. I wanted to show you these because this is all I really needed for the Pan Celtic Race. You don't need a big tub to get by with just this little bit. Despite having said that, it's not really enough. Might have to make some sort of trip on the way. Well, I only got 2 miles up the road and I've seen the Lincolnshire flag already. There we go, look, Lincolnshire Emergency Blood Bike Service. I was not expecting to see the Lincolnshire flag this far west. The lush beaches of North Wales. So the plan really is, well, today is a Wednesday, don't start work until Monday next week. It is 11 o'clock in the AM, so I don't have a lot of time to ride 250 kilometres, so I'm going to arrive after dark, I think. So I thought, why not treat myself and have one more bivvy spot somewhere, and that somewhere will probably be the Peak District. Okay, bike shop number 2 coming up soon. East End Cycles.
Exit the roundabout onto Conway Road. Your destination will be on the left.
I'm just hoping this doesn't turn into a hunt for chamois cream video. Number 2, please do have some chamois cream. Okay, bike shop number 2, another no. Okay, Evolution Bikes. Bike shop number 3, do they sell chamois cream? Well, it looks promising. Oh. Here we go, let's find out. Tuber stuff. Oh, 80 bars. Do like 80 bars. Oh, lot blocks. Very nice. Too expensive. Oh, there we go, look. Happy bum butter. Oh, look at that. Oh, my bum's going to be very happy indeed. Oh. Oh, yes. Oh, it's a bit generous. Maybe a bit too generous. I've never used this before, so I don't know what it's going to feel like on the buttocks, but yeah, it should be alright. Better than nothing. I've given Happy Bottom before, you know, like a free sportif or something like that, and I've used it, but never anything long distance. But I know it's a reputable brand, so yeah, it should be good. So yeah, it's nearly midday. Let's fuck off. Yeah, so it's midday. A thank you to Evolution Bikes for servicing my parts. It's time to go. Feels weird not being tracked. Throughout the Pan Celtic race, you've got this device stuck on the back of your bike or on the front, wherever you can find space for it really. Just tracks your progress throughout the race, and people go online and follow you. It's called dot watching. And I can't speak for the other years, but this year was perfectly executed. Love the route, most of it anyway. There's only a few exceptions where it wasn't quite right, but there's always something. It's never perfect. What looks like a really usable bit of a road or path or track, and looks completely different in a torrential downpour. And there were a couple of those during the Pan Celtic race. It looks like a pirate ship. Arr! To get a bit of a comment in North Wales, it's always the passenger, isn't it? And it's always a young lad. Oh, are you moving? As in, am I moving house? I'm thinking, he's not seeing many people on bikes, is he? This is like light, not carrying much at all. So, no. Just making my way up Sheffield Road to the top at Winners Pass. Plan is to go down it in the morning. Don't know if I'm mad, but I'm going to try and find Bivvy spot somewhere near the top. It won't be cold. Got plenty of clothes, not worried about that. But need to try and find a windy spot, a spot that isn't windy. Absolutely stunning here in the Peak District. Mam Tor and Mam Tor up there, in fact. We've got Castleton off down there. Right, centre picture sort of there is Winners Pass. Another idea that I have is to get beyond Spice Hill, turn a right, kind of Froggatt, but not, you turn right towards Froggatt and then you turn immediate left and go down another road, I can't remember what it's called. Links up with Owler. Well, towards there is wooded nature reserve around there, so you never know, I could end up there as well. Either way, I better start having a look now. It's still quite light though, it's not even 9 o'clock yet, so if I do find somewhere, I can't bivvy down just yet anyway. I wonder what's in there, like a bivvy spot. Oh yeah, there's too many people around I think now, although it is certainly doable. I'm tempted. And it's out the wind. Foothills of Mam Tor. Wow. Wow, this is one of the best bivvy spots I've had for a long time. Very open, very public. There's just a path just there. Tent just there. Off the old road. There's mobile vans and cars, everything up there, and just me perched on the edge. But hopefully in the morning I'm going to have to check what time the sun rises, because that looks like it's going to be a beauty. Anyway, hopefully I'll be up in time for that sunrise and get to enjoy it together. For now, good night. Well, good morning folks, welcome to the top of Mam Tor. It is the AM. Check out that view. did manage to see the sun coming up over the horizon. Been in and out of sleep. Just kept slip sliding all the way through the night. Just couldn't get much sleep really. And for the first time ever, well, it's been Bivvy now, it rained. It rained quite a bit actually at first. Just short, sharp shower. It's the Outfit Bivvy bag. It's obviously very waterproof. So, yeah, as long as you make sure the water doesn't get inside, you're fine. Right, gonna get going in a little while. Once be bothered to get dressed. Well. After I went on the cattle grid, my phone fell off the cord lock. Can't quite bin in properly. Smash it up. So I'm gonna have to find a free store in Sheffield on the way through, I think. Seems the most logical thing. Get a replacement phone. I can't have sat it in properly or something. So anyway, so I was at the top of the climb. I went flying down when it's past. Heard a horn beeping. Driver obviously saw the phone flying off the bike. I went down to the bottom. I didn't see anybody come past to hand me the phone. I waved my hands about, got a lift to the top, couldn't find it, and as I was coming back down again, the same car, what hoots at me, pulled their window down and let me know they found it. So they stuck it on the cord lock, so I had to go back down again on foot this time. But at least I've got the phone, which means I can salvage the SD card that I've been obviously using photos on and video and stuff. So heading up Surprise Hill. Got about 3 hills in the ride. This one, and a couple more in South Yorkshire, then it's onto the plains. One of my favourite descents in the area. I know there's traffic, but it adds to the thrill.
It's not a big thing, but I want it to start. Now that you've touched my useless heart, take me out, I wanna hear big drums inside my ears. I wanna lay my head and face the fear. That's my way. That's my way.
Well, I managed to make it to Sheffield City Centre, but first, all important Greggs.